Hello, we are Paula Casas, Natalia Forero, Kiara Rojas, and me, Mariana Sáenz, and our project is going to be about blackberry and lulo juice.
The order that we're gonna follow in this video is first we are going to talk about the procedure that we follow to make the juices, then the production, and we are going to show you how we make it. Second, we are going to talk about the analysis, and finally we are going to give you our conclusions.
So we're going to show the production of the juices and the procedure that we follow. In the first step, we made the mise en place of both juices, so we prepare all the raw material that we would use. In the second, we remove and strain the pulp of the fruits, and also we weigh the waste that this brought out. The third step, we measure the milliliters of fruit, and then we added the water to complete the liter of both blackberries juice and lulo's juice. In the step 4 and the last one, we blended the water and the fruit, and then finally we serve the juices.
Now we are going to talk about analysis. To carry out this part of the project, the data in this table were gathered, which were collected during the realization of the two juices, blackberry and lulo. In this table, we are going to find price per gram, total price for 1 liter, net weight, water in milliliters, weight of the pulp in grams, just weight in grams, waste in grams, and finally percentage waste and waste in money, corresponding to the two juices.
First, we're gonna talk about the percentage of waste in the weight. So for the blackberry was 42.33% and in the lulo was 66.37%. In terms of waste in money, in the blackberry was 1,772 pesos and in the lulo was 1,852 pesos. Now, for our conclusions, first we're gonna say that the lulo is the fruit that creates more waste. That's because it has seeds and skin and more things than the blackberry. In terms of weight, generates 294 grams of waste. That in comparison with the total, it's the 66.37%. So it's higher than the blackberry. On the other hand, in terms of money, it generates 1,852 pesos of waste. So this is even higher than the blackberry, and in comparison with the total price of the lulo is even higher in percentage.
And also, we conclude that the most profitable juice in terms of waste and in terms of currency is the blackberry juice, because although this fruit is more expensive per gram, the waste is less when preparing the juice. So if we compare the waste that generates the juice and the percentage of waste, the total price of the blackberry juice is lower than the lulo's ones.
Thank you.